and show you how to use ClickUp for project management. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So the first step is to just go to the ClickUp website right over here, and once you're there, you would be in this page. So you just need to tap on projects right over here. You can either choose to create a new project by adding lists, resources, and tasks, or you could just go back to any of the other projects. So the first thing you need to do to manage your project is to add tasks. So you need to add tasks to do, or in progress, or complete. These are the status of the task, and you have other tasks. You can choose to add tasks through here. You can choose a milestone instead of tasks too, so it's completely your choice. You can also choose to summarize the list right over here. You also have the calendar where you can add contents through here. Like if there's a special event, you can tap here and write down the task or command right over here. That's the table for you where you could write down the name of the assignees. You could write down the due date and priority. So in this way, you would successfully be able to use ClickUp for project management. I hope this video was really helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And let us know what sort of videos you would like. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.